I'm going to show you how to prepare and paint your garage door so it lasts. Scrub the surfaces down using some sugar soap and a good hard scrubbing brush. Then give it a light sanding down if you don't know what type of paint's been on there originally. Fill in any holes with your filler, leave that to dry and then re-sand it again. Then you can apply some finishing coat. I normally apply this over the filler, so your first coat of paint is going to dry flatter. Now the paint I'm using is from the Alfresco range and the colour is smudge. But I'm applying this on with 3 different methods. The first door using a large paintbrush, then the second door I'm using a small radiator roller. Now the next side of the door I'm using my small handheld paint sprayer. Once it's dry I applied the second coat using the sprayer. Now for the outside frame I'm going to apply the paint on using a brush. Again it's the Alfresco range, but this time the colour is Blackjack. For more videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.